Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Tecno Camon 17 versus the Infinix Hot 10s. And guys, in both phones is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with 6GB of RAM. And guys, on the back we have a triple cameras on both these two devices. We have a main 48 megapixel main camera on both these two devices, and also on the back we get a matte finish on the Tecno, while on the Infinix we get a glossy finish. And also I really like the design language of the Tecno Camon 17 as compared to the Infinix Hot 10s. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off. Now let's see the boot up test. Here we go. And guys, on the logo it is here exactly the same on both phones. And guys, on both phones is running on Android 11. Guys, we have a XOS on the Infinix Hot 10s, while on the Tecno we have a iOS. And I guess you can see that, and the Tecno it is a little bit more faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Infinix Hot 10s. And you can see about 1 second difference, I would say half a second difference between these two devices. And guys, you can see that in both phones has a very different display. We have a 720p IPS LCD display on both these two devices, and the difference is that we have a U-shaped notch on the Infinix Hot 10s, while on the Tecno we get a punch hole on the left hand side. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Now let's see phone dialer, that is a little bit more faster on the Tecno as compared to the Infinix. Now let's see settings, that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's go my phone, and you can see, and guys, on both phones is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. As you can see, we also have a 5000 mAh battery size on the Tecno Camon 17, while on the Infinix Hot 10s we have 6000 mAh battery size. And also we get a 16 megapixel selfie camera on the Tecno, while on the Infinix we have 8 megapixel. Now let's check out some more application. Now let's see Amazon shopping, and that is more faster on the Tecno Camon 17 as compared to the Infinix Hot 10s. Now let's see the scrolling, really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga. Again, we have a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, exactly the same on both phones, as you can see, which is obvious because we have a same chipset on both phones. Let's see Spotify, that is exactly the same on both phones. Guys, I see a little bit lag on the Tecno Camon 17. Again, exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Again, I see a little bit lag on the Tecno Camon 17. Let's see Temper and 2. Yes, you can see that when I open the application I see a little bit lag on the Tecno, but you can see that again exactly the same on both phones. Feels a little bit more faster on the Infinix Hot 10s this time, but you can see that in both phones is perform very similar, and you can see about 1 second difference there in this application. Zedge faster on the, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the scrolling, you can see really smooth on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So last time I launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. More faster on the Infinix, I would say, as compared to the Tecno. And guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using for a Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's see wikipedia.org, faster little bit on the Tecno Camon 17. Now let's see the scrolling. Yes, I see a little bit lag on both phones in the start. So now let's open this English, exactly the same again, and you can see. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and guys, you can see that and both phones has a 6GB of RAM, and you can see. So now let's see settings, and you can see, and guys, and the phone dialer it is automatically removed on both phones from the background, so that's really bad thing. Let's see Amazon shopping, and it is a in-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Let's see Spotify, no refresh. Let's see Subway Surfer. Let's see Temper and 2. Zedge. Last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see no refresh on both phones. And guys, in this speed test I did not open a lot of apps, So that is why the RAM measurement is really average on both phones. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that in both phones is perform very similar in app's opening speed as well as in the RAM measurement. RAM measurement is really average on both phones. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Tecno Camon 17 versus the Infinix Hot 10s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.